Hi there, my name is Chris, full name Christine Virginia, which is quite long. That's why everybody just calls me Chris. I've been teaching English since 2001, and now for almost 8 years, I'm teaching German as well. And this year, 2021, in September, I will have my 20th anniversary. So yes, I'm a dinosaur, as you can see. So what are some problems when it comes to learning German? German is known for being a difficult language. I'm going to explain some of the challenges, so cheer up. If it were easy, we'd all speak it already. Vocabulary, part 1. Even though there are plenty of words from Latin, most words have German origin and it is not easy to guess their meaning. Some everyday words are similar to English, like the ones house, or kann, like can. Technical vocabulary is very difficult and not similar to English at all. So German is a very rich language that allows for the expression of ideas and concepts without much confusion. That's why German is the language of the philosophers. A student who is starting to learn German will have a really hard time finding the meaning of the words in a dictionary. Why that? Certain words are separable. Others appear with endings that have to be taken off. And often 2 or more words are combined to make just one word without it appearing as the word in the dictionary. There are more verb tenses and they are more difficult to form. The irregular verbs are similar to the ones in English. Nouns are declined. They are not in English. The construction of the plural is very complex, not so in English. There are 3 different genders. There are a few rules for determining the gender of masculine, feminine, and neuter. But very often you have to memorize each word's gender, which doesn't make it easier. So in general, Germans speak English quite well, and out of courtesy, they often will speak to you in English if they see that you are a foreigner and can't speak German perfectly. This is a disadvantage for practicing German. Interesting, right? So what am I talking about right now? Yeah, sure. The 5-week challenge or the 5-week mini workshop. So are you in? Then you can start right away and write down your greatest German weaknesses, because your weaknesses are the strength of the challenge. Exciting because you create the challenge together with the other course participants and of course with me. Thus, together we create the German mini workshop. Immediately after your registration, you will receive some questions that will help you to personally shape the challenge or the mini workshop. Grammar the easy way, that'll be it. So I hope to see you soon. Bye.